How to create index of your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can very simply and easily create an index of your MS Word document, be it a project, report or anything, for any document in which you want an index. So here's the trick that we are going to apply. So as here you can see, I have this agreement, and in this agreement there are two pages or two parts, you can say. So the first part is the agreement page 1, and the second part is agreement page 2. So it could also be in the form of a unit or a chapter as well, depending upon your particular document. So let me show you how to create an index of the same. So the first thing that you will need to do is that you will need to select any particular heading of your document. So for example, let's say in this particular page I'm gonna select the agreement page 1, and then what I'm gonna do next is simply press the Control Alt and the 1 key. And the moment I will press the Control Alt and 1 key, you can see that now this is appearing as a heading. So this particular phrase, the agreement page 1, is now considered as a heading. So after you are done with this, what you can do is that you need to simply move to the other page and repeat the same for the second page or the second chapter or unit as well. So you can again press the Control Alt and 1 after selecting this, and now you can see that we have two different headings. It's also better if I will move this particular agreement page 2 to a new page. So let me quickly do that. Okay, so now I have done this. Here is our agreement page 2 and here is our agreement page 1. So now let me create an index for these two pages. So what I'm gonna do is simply move to that particular page or position where I want the index, and then I'm gonna click onto this references tab right here. Once I'm onto the references tab, I need to click onto this table of contents. So simply click onto the table of contents and then you can choose any of the following designs. Let me go with the first one, that is automatic table 1, and once I will do this, you can see that it has successfully listed out the index for the agreement page 1 and agreement page 2 along with the page numbers on which they are found. As you can see, the agreement page 1 is on page number 1, whereas the agreement page 2 is actually on the page number 3 of this Word document. So that's how easily and automatically you can create an index of your MS Word document. Also, you can choose to rename this contents as index from here, and now you have successfully created an index of the same. So that was all for this particular video. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.